Hi, kids! Today, we're going to learn about a special word, perseverance. Can you say it with me? Per-se-ver-ance. Perseverance means trying really hard to do something, even when it's tough. It's about never giving up. Imagine you're learning to ride a bike. At first, you might fall down. But if you keep trying and trying, soon you'll be zooming around with a big smile. That's perseverance. Or think about solving a big puzzle. It can be tricky, and you might feel like giving up. But if you keep working on it, piece by piece, you'll finish it. That's perseverance. Remember, every time you keep trying and don't give up, you're using perseverance. And that makes you super amazing. So, the next time something feels hard, just remember to use your perseverance. You can do anything you set your mind to. Thanks for learning with us today. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.